Spokane Public Schools serves students from a wide variety of backgrounds. Some may have experienced trauma, need academic support, or have disabilities. Others could be navigating social, emotional, or behavioral changes at home or school. Many of our students experience more than one of these at the same time. Our goal is to meet them where they are, help them grow, and support them in several ways. Restorative practices focus on building relationships, repairing harm, and strengthening our school community. Positive Behavioral Interventions and Supports, or PBIS, teaches and reinforces clear expectations and positive behaviors. Interventions provide additional academic or behavioral support when students need extra help. Special education services offer specially designed instruction and accommodations for students with disabilities. We also foster strong classroom instruction, counseling services, and collaboration with families and community partners. What challenging behavior may look like. Despite these supports, some students may still engage in challenging behavior in schools. This can look different depending on the student, their age, and the situation. All behavior is communication. Some students have strong language and emotional regulation skills and can tell us what they need. Others are still learning those skills. Sometimes, when students lack the words or coping tools, their behavior may communicate for them. While in our schools, you might see a range of behaviors. Refusing to follow directions, calling out or interrupting, avoiding work or putting their head down, arguing or talking back, crying or shutting down, leaving an area without permission. Physical behaviors like pushing materials away, or in rare cases, aggression. Some behaviors are mild and brief. Others may be more intense and require staff support. Here are some ways you can help. Build positive connections. The most powerful tool you have is to build relationships with students prior to any behavioral challenges. Greet students warmly. Notice effort. Offer encouragement. Be consistent and predictable. When students are upset, overwhelmed, or dysregulated, their brains aren't ready for problem solving or lectures. You may hear staff talk about students needing to regulate first. Regulation means helping a student feel calm and safe enough to think clearly again. When emotions are high, keep your voice calm. Keep directions simple. Avoid arguing or debating, and give physical space if needed. Your calm presence helps students feel safe. Your tone often matters more than your words. As a volunteer, your role isn't to fix behavior or provide discipline. You're there to be a consistent, caring adult who supports staff direction and helps create a welcoming environment for all students. Follow staff direction. If a student is demonstrating challenging behavior, defer to the teacher or staff member. Avoid stepping into a power struggle. Ask quietly, "How can I help?" Staff are trained in specific behavior plans and strategies that may not be visible to you. Avoid raising your voice, publicly correcting or shaming, taking behavior personally. Remember, behavior is communication, not disrespect toward you. Focus on safety. If a situation escalates, ensure your own safety and the safety of nearby students. Alert staff immediately. Do not attempt to physically intervene unless you're specifically trained and directed to do so. All student behavior is confidential. Please protect student dignity by not discussing individual students or incidents outside of the school setting. Thank you for choosing to volunteer with Spokane Public Schools and for supporting all of our students. Please reach out with any questions. SpokaneSchools.org/contact-DFCE.